And I am telling you, I'm not going. You're the best man I'll never know. There's no way I could ever go. Time goes away. No, 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 no way. I'm living without you. I'm not living without you. You say that's just no way. There's no way. Please and hold me, listen me. Time is love. Oh, time is me. I know, I do. You care. No, no, there's no way. No, 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 no. I'm living without you. I'm not living without you. No, living without you. And you, and you, and you. You're gonna love me You're gonna love
Tuwirali! Tuwirali! Okay lang kayo? Okay na? Wow, grabe. Napaka-powerful naman yon. Gusto ko munang marinig ang reaksyon ni Coach Julie dito.
Wow! Alam mo, unang buka pa lang ng bibig ninyo, nung biglang tumugtog pa lang yung and I am telling you. Grabe. That was such a powerful song. Pero na-pull off nyo siya. Sino yung 13 sa inyo? 13 and...
10 years old po.
Oh my God. Your voices are so huge.
Coach Billy.
Ay, hello. Ako, I did enjoy the performance as well. Nagustuhan ko rin yung performance. Napaka, as in like, in your face, bam, 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 bam. Walang, walang pahinga. Kumbaga, you came here para mag-compete. Hindi kayo para nag-pass lang ng time, nag-perform at umalis. No, you want to stay. But, since this is a competition then, be careful lang sa diction lang kanta. Yung clarity lang ang importante rin kung may ginagawa tayong kantang hindi sa atin din, syempre. But apart from that, strong and powerful performance.
Thank you po.
Ganon din ba sa'yo, Coach Tel? Kamusta yung kabuuan?
Ako po, yung buong performance nyo, I like it. Like, I super duper like it. Ito yung gusto ko lang sabihin for personally, if I'm going to be your coach, if ever lang naman, like, siguro sa next time or kung magkakaroon ako ng chance, siguro ang itatry ko lang i-work out is yung volumes and yung, kumbaga, dynamics. Kasi, gets natin na parehas kayo, ay lahat kayo kaya nyong maabot yon. Pero kung lahat kayo magsasabay-sabay doon, syempre, hindi rin naman maganda pakinggan. Pero, ang final say ay na kay Coach Chito. Congratulations ulit. Congratulations!
Thank you, Coach Tel. Sa lahat ng sinabi nila, Coach Chito, talagang majority sinasabing impress sila at kung may room for improvement, kayang-kaya.
Yeah.
Ano?
I agree.
Diba?
The only thing that I want to improve on actually is yung dynamics nga para mas may dagdag drama and depth. Alam mo yun? May know when to pull back, hindi yung kaya sabi
sabay-sabay.
mo in your face in your face, diba? But I know, alam ko yung pinagdaanan natin kahapon, you were crying. I'm so thrilled na nakasmile ka ngayon and yung ginawa niyo pang competition talaga.
Thank you po.
Maraming salamat, Twirly. Thank you, and good luck sa inyo.